This video I'm gonna show you how to fix the invite problem on your WhatsApp easily. Hello guys, so all what you have to do to fix the problem, it's so easy. Just open the settings on your phone if you have Android or even iOS. Then go to the apps manager right here, go to the apps and then scroll until you find WhatsApp. After that, or what you have to do now is just go to the force stop option here in the top, click on it, and then go to the notifications management. And here make sure that all the notifications from the chat history backup to the badges are enabled. Everything right here should be enabled. It's so necessary. And then go back and go to the permissions. Now here make sure that all the permissions are enabled. That's it guys. Now all what you have to do is turn off your phone and turn it on again, and congratulations. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.